In the beginning, there was nothing, no light, no sky, no land, only emptiness. But God was there. Then God spoke, "Let there be light." And at his command, light burst forth, chasing away the darkness. God saw that the light was good, and he separated it from the darkness. He called the light day, and the darkness night. And so the first day passed. On the second day, God created the sky, stretching it like a great canopy over the earth. The heavens were set in place, vast and endless. On the third day, God commanded the waters to gather, and dry land appeared. He called the dry ground earth, and the gathered waters seas. Then, from the land, God brought forth life, lush green plants, towering trees, and colorful flowers of every kind. On the fourth day, God placed the sun in the sky to shine by day, the moon and the stars to glow at night. He set them in motion, marking days, seasons, and years. On the fifth day, God filled the seas with great creatures, mighty whales, swift fish, and creatures of every shape and size. In the skies, birds took flight, filling the heavens with their songs, and God saw that it was good. On the sixth day, God spoke once more, and the land came alive with movement, majestic lions, gentle deer, mighty elephants, and every living creature. Then God did something wonderful. God said, "Let us make mankind in our image." And from the dust of the earth, he formed the first man. God breathed into him the breath of life, and the man, Adam, opened his eyes. But God saw that Adam needed a companion. So he caused Adam to fall into a deep sleep, and from his side God fashioned the first woman, Eve. Together they would care for the earth and walk in fellowship with their Creator. On the seventh day God rested. His work was complete, and it was very good. The heavens, the earth, and all who dwell in them, formed by his hand, created for his glory. This is the beginning of everything. This is creation.